I can do it. A Christmas trip. No panic. I can do this. Christmas journey. I'm a strong, independent cat. Totally not terrified of. Finally, peace, safety, no snowstorms, no drama.
Good evening, Miss Kitty. I hope this seat isn't taken.
Doctor, what are you doing here?
I sensed elevated Christmas anxiety you. Therefore, like a gentle cat.
You followed me to keep me safe?
To keep your mind calm and to make sure no imaginary snowstorms eat you alive.
Oh. Thank you, Doctor. Was that imaginary too?
Mostly.
Train.
Relax, Miss Kitty. The train moves on. This journey will be smooth, warm,
And absolutely drama-free.
Remember, 99% of fears exist only in your imagination. Today, we helped Miss Kitty conquer her fear. Until next time.